Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of 3-Minute Finance. Last episode, pinag-usapan natin ang future value. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang present value. Lahat tayo may financial goals. Last episode, we learned how to project kung how much we will need for tuition fees in the future. Yun yung future value. This episode, we will learn how to calculate how much kailangan today para ma-hit yung financial goal na yun. For our purposes, present value yung amount ng money we will need now para ma-reach ang specific amount in the future. Now, as practice, let us use yung answers from the previous episode. We learned that it will take 2 million pesos to send one child to La Salle for a 4-year course. Ang tanong, magkano kakailanganin ko i-invest today para may 2 million pesos ako para sa 4-year college ng anak ko in 12 years? Okay, so buksan natin ang TVM app natin. If you don't have one yet, you can go to episode 2 ng 3-Minute Finance where we will teach you where and how to get a free TVM app. We are looking for present value, so we will fill in yung 4 na ibang variables para makuha ang sagot. For future value, we will put 2 million pesos. Yun ang target. Amortization, we will put 0 for now. Para sa interest rate, ilagay natin ang long-term return ng financial product kung saan balak natin mag-invest. Sa kasong ito, assume natin na mag-i-invest tayo sa isang mutual fund na may long-term return na 5% per year. Sa time, ilagay natin 12 years kasi we will need the money in 12 years. Ngayong may value na yung 4 na variables, we press equals and get a result na negative 1,113,674 pesos and 84 centavos. Bakit negative ang amount? Kasi ito ang halagang kailangan nating i-invest today sa isang fund na kumikita ng 5% a year para maabot yung 2 million pesos in 12 years. Of course, konti lang ang kayang maglabas agad ng higit sa 1 million pesos sa isang bagsakan. So what can we do? Pwede tayong mag-invest sa isang fund na kumikita ng higit sa 5%, pero ang mas realistic ay to start with a smaller amount at dagdagan na lang ito regularly. Kung paano at magkano ang kailangan dyan ang magiging topic natin sa susunod na episode. Thank you for watching. If you like our episode, please like, share, and subscribe so you can catch the next episode kung saan we will continue our lessons by discussing amortization.